Alright, YouTube. So this is my broken remote that I can only turn on the TV, and my Genie receiver guide doesn't work, menu doesn't work, list doesn't work, all this button doesn't work, and the mute button works, and this minus button works. I thought it was actually the minus button. So I'm gonna give you like a comparison so you know what's not working. So normally when you press the guide, the light should just give you a quick blink. But somehow this is acting so weird, like a longer display on the green LED. And you got the menu button. See, as you see, it stays up longer. Oops. Somehow the TV is on. Let me turn it off. And then list. See, the LED is acting weird again. And then record. It's supposed to be a quick flash when it's normal. Normally it says when your LED's light stays on like that, I mean your battery is low, but actually it's not. What the? It's so weird because now the TV is on again. Not sure. Either it's short circuit or something. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you the volume works. As you can see, it's give you like a quick LEDs. But the channel doesn't work. As you can see, it stays longer. What? So yeah, anyhow, I'm trying to demonstrate all those buttons does not work. Only the one that flash has a quick flash on the LED. That means it's working. So all those numbers that I touch is not working. But the one on the right hand side, it works. When you show you got the quick display on the LED flash. I'm going to hit the minus sign. Well, anyway, I'm not sure what's going on with this remote. Either a bad IC chip or something. It is not working. So we have a brand new one that I just did unboxing. I'm going to program it real quick. Alright, so in order to go into the programming mode, we need to press select and then the mute button. And then you will see a green LED flash twice. And then after that, I'm going to enter 961 and then a channel up. Let's go ahead and do that. There you go. Gonna enter 961 and then a channel up. And now you see the TV is on right now. So now I can change my channel. And then when I press volume up and down, it says program remote. So I'm gonna press select to program remote. TV on program. You have pressed a key. So press select to program. Now we're gonna press a hold. Now we're gonna press a mute and enter at the same time. We have 100 something second, well actually 2 minutes in order to do that. So I'm gonna press enter button right here, and then the mute. So enter and mute at the same time. If nothing happened, try again. If no success, match it within 2 minutes. Your receiver did not pair. Let me try to point at the TV. And much more. The first ever GLB. Lease the GLB 250 SUV for just $4.19 a month. Okay, you gotta press and hold it down, and then now it says that your receiver and remote are now successful setup for the RF mode, or the RF. And then it says next step is to program your remote to control your TV and home audio. So if you want, you can press select to continue. Program TV. And let me mute it. So now I gotta select what kind of TV I have. Go there. Go Samsung. Fantastic. 1.5% cash back on everything you buy with Freedom Unlimited. Chase, make more with you. Let me go to S. Oh, S. There you go. Now I can jump to Samsung. Quicker that way. So I just click on I don't know the model because adding Samsung TV at 10 code 1 through 6 1 up 66. So to test this code, press volume plus. If the volume increase, select worked. So selected Samsung TV. So now I'm done. So now I can control my TV now. And then the receiver at the same time. My Genie box is right there, so yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comment zone below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.